Welcome to the channel. This video has been produced to help you for what is the difference between global marketing versus international marketing. You will learn what is global marketing, what is international marketing, advantages and disadvantages, differences and comparison, example and case study and hybrid structure. What is global marketing? Internationalization is accomplished through global marketing. The business develops a product or service that meets the needs of a global audience. The organization develops a global strategy for product or service planning, production, positioning, and promotion. What is international marketing? International marketing is the process of expanding a business outside its native geographical limits by establishing subsidiaries in multiple countries' target markets. These subsidiaries develop and implement marketing principles and tactics that are tailored to the specific needs of the target local market. Advantages of global marketing. By marketing the product or service internationally, the corporation can extend its consumer base. The corporation may make a bigger profit on sales because of the lower production costs. As a brand, the corporation grows in popularity around the world. Going global allows a firm to outperform its domestic and international competition by providing a high-quality product or service. When selling products or services in several nations, the corporation follows a consistent marketing strategy. Advantages of international marketing. International marketing allows companies to expand their company units or set up subsidiaries in different nations. Instead of functioning solely in the home market, the company's sales can be improved by expanding into other worldwide markets. All marketing plans are defined and tailored to the needs of the target market's customers. By satisfying the demands of consumers in local markets, the corporation builds a strong economy. Differences and comparison. Global marketing is the use of a single marketing approach in all markets worldwide. International marketing is the direct engagement of the organization in the local marketing environment. Global marketing deals with cross-cultural marketing personnel employed. International marketing deals less R&D because the corporation has a physical presence in the worldwide market and can examine it. Global marketing deals with standard product or service. International marketing deals with customized product or service. Global marketing deals with distance and little interaction decrease client engagement. International marketing because of the local presence and different communication channels boost customer engagement. In global marketing, the company maintains a global social media page. In international marketing, there are various social media profiles like on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, separated per country. In global marketing, here, a single commercial runs throughout the world in various regional languages of different countries. In international marketing, international advertisements are tailored particularly for the local market and vary greatly by country. In global marketing, promotional methods are chosen with a worldwide audience in mind. In international marketing, promotional strategies are tailored to each particular market. Example and case study. Marketing globally. Consider Apple. The brand maintains a homogeneity in handset design and features while reaching consumers globally. Walmart is a multinational marketer. International marketing. Dunkin' Donuts used an international marketing approach to offer items that appealed to consumers globally. Sugar-free Culotta donuts in Korea, seaweed donuts in hybrid structure. Companies use a hybrid structure that combines international and global marketing to ensure business success and growth. Initially, Coca-Cola used this strategy to gain a competitive edge in the global market. It is now being used as a proven strategy for internationalization by many large corporations. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it.